This is the second lecture of JavaScript. In today, we will learn about the difference between the client side and server side scripting. Second point is the JavaScript keywords, and the third point is the data types in the JavaScript. The first point is a theoretically point and which explore the what is client side and what is server side scripting. The second point is the JavaScript keywords. The keywords is like alphabets in the languages. All of you know about them. We can learn the language by using the alphabets. Without alphabets, we cannot learn any languages. So in the computer languages, the JavaScript keywords or the keywords or the reserved words plays the role of alphabets. Third point is the data types in the JavaScript. The data types means the type of a data which are used in the programming. So let's see the first point, that is the difference between the client side and the server side script. The next point is the difference in a client side and server side scripting. Server side scripting works in the backend which could not be visible at the client end. Client side scripting works at the front end and scripts are visible among the users. Second difference is the server side scripting requires the server interactions. Client side scripting does not need interaction with the server. Third difference is the server side scripting having the languages PHP, ASP.NET, Ruby, on Rails, ColdFusion, Python, etc. Client-side scripting languages are the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Server-side scripting could effectively customize the web pages and provide the dynamic websites. Client-side scripting can reduce the load to the server. Server-side scripting relatively secure. Client-side scripting are the insecure. These are the difference between the client side and the server side. Let's see the another difference in between the server side scripting and the client side scripting. Server side scripting used to create the dynamic pages based on number of conditions when the user's browser makes a request to the server. Client-side scripting used when the user's browser already has all the code and the page is altered on the basis of the user's input. Second difference is the server-side scripting. In the server-side scripting, the web server executes the server-side scripting that produces the page to be sent to the browser. Server executes the server-side script to send out a page, but it does not execute the client-side script. In the client-side scripting, the web browsers executes the client-side scripting that resides at the user's computer. The browsers receives the page sent by the server and executes the client-side script. Server-side scripting is used to connect the database that resides on the web server. Client-side scripting cannot be used to connect to the database on the web server. Server-side scripting can't be blocked by the user. Client-side scripting is possible to be blocked by the user. Response from a server-side scripting is slower as compared to the client-side scripting because the scripts are processed on the remote computer. Response from a client-side scripting is faster as compared to the server-side script because the scripts are the processed on the local computer. These are the main difference between the server-side scripting and the client-side scripting. The next point is the JavaScript keywords. Keywords are the reserved words that are the part of the syntax in the programming language. JavaScript keywords are the await, break, case, catch, class, const, continue, debugger, default, delete, do, else, enum, export, extends, false, finally, for, function, if, implements, import, in, instance of, interface, let, new, null, package, private, protected, public, return, super, switch, static, this, throw, try, true, type of, where, void, while, with, end. These are the key. Next point is the data types. Data types means which type of a data is stored in the variables. There are the two types of a data types in a JavaScript. First is the primitive data type and second is the non-primitive or a non-primitive means the reference data type. JavaScript is a dynamic type language, means don't need to specify the type of the variable because it is dynamically used by the JavaScript engine. For that, the var keyword is used to specify the data type. It can hold the any type of the values such as a number, strings, etc. For example, var a is equal to 40. It holding the numeric value. And second example is the var b is equal to double quotation Rahul. The double quotation, the value which is mentioned in the double quotation, these which are the string value and which is stored in the variable b. JavaScript primitive data types. There are the 5 types of the primitive data types in JavaScript. They are as follows. First one is the string. It represents the sequence of the character. For example, hello, which is the sentence or the string which is which must enclosed in the double quotation. Second data type is the number. It represents the numeric values. For example, 100. Third data type is the boolean. It represents the boolean value, either the true or false. Next is the undefined data type. It represents the undefined value. Last is the null data type. It represents the null, that is the no value at all. JavaScript non-primitive data types. The non-primitive data types are, the first one is the object, second is the array, and third one is the regular expressions. Object represents the instance through which we can access the members. Array represents the group of the similar values or the collection of the similar values. Next, last one is the regular expression, represent the regular expressions value. In today's lecture, we discussed the points are the difference between client-side scripting and server-side scripting. Second point is the JavaScript keywords, and third point is the data types in a JavaScript. In the data types in a JavaScript, there are the only one data types, and which is the variant. In the JavaScript, there are the some sub data types, and which are the primitive data types and